You can see some like definition. If I flex a little bit, you can see it. But there's also just a lot of fat right here at the bottom. And then I have some fat on the sides that I would like to get rid of. So yeah, let's do it. Day 1. And I already put the gel on, that's why this measuring tape is sticking on me. So this is loosely 32 inches, which is crazy because this part is 40. My stomach almost as big as my... Okay, so you're supposed to drop water on it to see if it's working. Ooh, it's working. Ooh, it's cold. We're gonna apply this gel. And I've come a long way, y'all. Whew. I came a long way. Okay, so in the manual it tells us the movements that we should be doing for the part that you want to target. So it's a lot of left and circles, up, down. Y'all hear that, or is that in my head? This is so weird. And maybe I'm tripping, but I can see a little something already. Okay, so this is me immediately after. And yeah, I will see y'all in a few days. I'm gonna be keeping y'all updated throughout this month. Yeah, I see y'all next time. So we're doing session 2 right now. It is about 72 hours later, 3 days later. And yep, so I'm gonna show you how everything looks. I've been drinking my water. Honestly, I haven't been eating the best, but that stops today. Yesterday, I had my fun over the week, but now it's back to the regularly scheduled program. I just went to the grocery store and I got my my vegetables, my protein. I got everything together because we can't get into the habit of eating like that. So yep. Okay, that is it for this session, and this is what we are looking like. No sucking. I see a little bit more definition right here. I want to make sure I drink my water, but yeah, the belly fat gotta go. All right, so I removed my belly button ring and we're about to turn this on. All right, so this is me after my 3rd session. Do y'all see a difference? I feel a difference. I feel a difference this time. So I'm about to just clean my piercing and put my ring back in. Actually wipe my stomach off and clean my stomach out. But do y'all see a difference? Good morning, and I'm just waking up. I've officially completed 4 weeks of the body sculpting. So I'm gonna show you all my measurements. I just completed my last session, so we're gonna do the last measurement. So before we do the measurements, I want to remind y'all how important hydration is during this process, making sure you're eating healthy and exercising regularly, because you won't see all of what can happen if you're still eating sugar. And so during this time, I definitely cut back on sugar, snacking. The only thing that I wish I would have done better is to stay up on my vitamins and supplements, but yeah, definitely been doing well with everything else. So I literally just finished my last session, and I just woke up like literally like 25 minutes ago. I just got up, did it. Okay. Oh, and I made sure I used the bathroom first because I didn't want to be bloated or anything. So yeah, let's see. Oh, let me take my stomach out. So the first time we did the measurements, I was on the biggest part of my stomach, I was at 32 inches. So let's see. Loosely. Let's do it super loosely. I'm at 29.5 inches. Look at that. Do y'all see that? 29.5 inches. Before, I was at 32. No way. No way. Bro. I was at 32. That's too big for my body. There's no way. Wow. Well, would I recommend this? Yes. Would I keep doing it? Yes, for sure. I've only been doing it twice a week. So if you want to see better results, try to do it. It's been 4 weeks, so try to do it twice a week try it for 2 months, or just make it into your regular routine, or but I would definitely recommend, please don't play with it. I just can't believe my stomach was 32. I just can't believe that. 4 weeks ago, I had 32 and I lost 2.5 inches. And that was loosely. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. Say friends about my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.